Welcome to a brand new week. I'm Scott.
And I'm Kat.
And this is
James Standard Time.
No, leave the plate there.
No, why? No, you used the plate to take the pot, bro.
Okay, now go. Drop it off.
I need tomatoes.
Oh my god, it's gonna go on fire.
I need tomatoes. Stop pushing
Move the
me.
fuck out of my way, dude.
That is ready to be Oh,
just one tomato?
What? Yo, why are you guys not cutting
You
the
can't
onions?
serve that.
Please.
One
It's
onion.
just one onion.
Now we got. Here, let me put more in, Drew.
Ina, where's the plate?
I'm washing it. Like,
You fucking bitch! You take my cutting board.
Okay, there you
Fuck
go.
you, Spino.
Why are you chopping me? There's only one onion in that soup.
I got you, yo. Yo, give me onion. Right here, right here.
I am currently just exporting the week's vlog because yesterday when we were at Ina's place hanging out too late, so when I got home I didn't feel like editing, and because I'm trying something new with the editing, because Scott created some new animations for my days of the week, I was playing around with it and it took way longer than I thought. It's still not perfect, but I'd rather showcase some of the progress now. So as you guys watch the weeks, you'll see a gradual improvement on these animations. Again, a big shout out to Scott. If you guys are watching the vlog right now, you'll notice that all the days of the week have a little animation to it. Big props to Scott for making it happen. A very talented man. And right now, as I'm talking to you guys, he's texting me right now because we're going back and forth about what needs to be done. So hopefully we'll get it done and get it all like set to standard within the next 2 weeks. But I'm pretty happy with the result now. And hopefully in the future, once I figure out how the editing goes, it won't take me so long to edit the vlog. Because this took about me 2 hours to finish. Usually it takes me 30 minutes to finish a vlog because I'm so used to the rhythm and stuff. But yeah, it's exporting now. I'll upload it. And even though it's almost midnight, I'm still going to upload it to YouTube. Because if I don't, I'm going to be even more delayed tomorrow. The funny thing is, I actually don't own a copy of Overcooked because I worry it breaks friendships. And based on yesterday, not yesterday, the day before at Ina's place, I think it does. But I did have some fun, you know, when Zoe and Scott stopped arguing. It was actually kind of fun. So I looked it up. So apparently there's Overcooked 1 and 2, and it comes in a bundle. But also there's also this version called Overcooked All You Can Eat, which includes both games, I believe, and extra stages, like the DLCs and stuff. I think. I could be wrong, but apparently I read it is Overcooked 1 and 2 in the game. So yeah, and it's only $35. That's not too bad. So I'll get this, and then it'll make Zoe be quiet because she's been pestering me to get it. I don't know why she doesn't get it herself. I have to decide if I want to get on my PlayStation 5 or the Switch. If I get the Switch, it's more likely I can have enough controllers. If I get it for PS5, I only have 2 controllers. So I think I'm more leaning towards the Switch. But the graphics aren't really good. But then again, this game isn't graphically amazing either. So yeah, I'll probably get the Switch. Corporate visit is all done, and I just realized the angle on this side is not the greatest because the lighting. Let me move it on to this side. Let's see if it's better. Oh, better. There's no glare. Yeah. Anyway, visit is over and done with. It went well. It went pretty well. I think we over-prepared but honestly, it's better to be over-prepared than not-prepared. I spoke about problems, they listened, but I spoke about it in a professional way. I can't bring up a negative without bringing up a positive, and it's vice versa. So it's always good to back up your facts. I can't just say this is not working and just hopefully they have a reason for that. I gotta come up with the negative, plus I also have to give backup information. So that went well. So my DM prepped me pretty well for it. My phone's just going off right now. And then, yeah, I'm so tired. I didn't get to really sleep in yesterday because I had to wake up today for my haircut appointment. Haircut, less boom, a little bit more down now. And I decided to treat myself. I stopped by a barbecue place on my way home. Basically, I picked up some beef brisket. Oh my god. There's a lot of it. I'm not gonna eat it all, but beef brisket because I was craving some barbecue. And then there's something called tater tot nachos, which intrigued me, so I had to order it. I don't know what that's gonna entail. So I guess instead of nacho chips, it's tater tots. I guess. What does this look like? Oh my god. I was not expecting that. It's basically tater tots and then there's basic nacho stuff on top. That smells good. Oh my god, smells good. Well, pulled pork. Can't go wrong. I'm gonna eat now. Currently, I'm dealing with another problem. So, my washing machine has been having some problems. Sometimes when I put a load in and close the door and, put the detergent in and start it, it sometimes says the door as a jam or something and an error message appears here. And usually I Google it, but it's always the same thing. The F5, E2, I don't know what that code means, but basically Google it, it says that something is preventing the door from locking. So usually what happens is I open the thing up, I wipe it clean a little bit, and then I close it and try again. And after a few attempts, it does usually work, but for some reason today, it's just not working. In fact, it's much worse today. Like, I have my laundry in there. You're probably wondering why it's in there, James. It's not working anyway. The problem is, it's actually locked in. So, I don't know why. It's saying it can't lock, but it's locked. So I don't know. A thought just occurred to me, maybe it is locked. Maybe I should try to run my washing machine again. But it's like 11 p.m. right now. I don't think it's a good decision because if it ends up working, it's just going to be loud and, my neighbors are bitches. So that thought just occurred to me. It is locked. So technically it should work, but then I don't know, should I risk it? The power's off, so technically it should, I don't know, but yeah, maybe I'll try it tomorrow morning and see what happens. But yeah, that's my nightmare I'm dealing with. Guess what I got today? My new phone! The Flip 6. I finally got it, and I am loving it. And guess what? I can finally close my phone and flip it down. So happy. I finally got it. I wanted to get it since September 15th, but they didn't have it in stock. So finally, I was able to pre-order it. And the only one that was be able to pre-order was the silver one, which is kind of lame that I can't choose. But honestly, with the choices given, it was either going to be the silver or the black. And with a case, you can't really tell. And I don't mind. I think my last one was silver too. I think, yeah. But yeah, I can finally have a phone, and I was given a free case, so that was awesome. The front screen's so much bigger than my last phone, and because of that, you can actually turn this on by itself and use the camera or video record stuff with the phone still flipped down. So that's going to come in handy, which will limit the amount of times I will open the phone, because if I'm vlogging real quick myself, I'll just do this, right? And then I'll have to open the phone. It's even easier to carry if I'm taking a selfie. Again, very easy. So I love this new feature. But the only downside to this is that when the phone's open, I'll show you in a minute, when the phone's open, my hand or my finger always ends up touching the screen because it's so big. So that's the only downside, so I have to constantly wipe it because there's fingerprints. But yeah, really nice. My new wallpaper is Pokemon themed, autumn themed. apparently I can change it easily. Like I can customize it. I can just put the picture and then I can customize how the picture appears. I haven't fully explored it. There's new like AI to help you edit photos and stuff, so it's pretty cool. I'm gonna explore it as I, you know, find new stuff. And then open it like that. And there's Subin. Oh, somebody mentioned this. Oh, there goes Subin. It's 4 in the morning right now. Couldn't sleep. And I realized, oh, I should really talk on my phone. So yeah, once the phone is open, if I'm holding my phone, I gotta be mindful of where I'm holding it, or my finger just ends up holding the screen. Because usually you hold the phone in the center as you're even answering the phone, so it's kind of hard not to accidentally touch the screen. So I'm gonna have to get used to that. And then the screen size is about the same as the old one, but other than that, pretty much the same phone. Just a bigger back screen, which I like. But yeah, I don't know why I'm still awake. I had trouble sleeping. I went to bed at 11 p.m. I woke up at 1 and I just couldn't sleep again, so I got up, played some video games, and then I'm starting to feel sleepy again, so I'm gonna try again. I don't know. I think it's definitely the sudden weather change. My skin's getting a little itchy. It's the sudden weather change. My mood's being affected, so my sleep pattern is affected as well. But I'm pretty sure after a few days, probably even tomorrow, I'll probably adjust properly and not end up waking up at 4 a.m. sleeping through. But yeah, I'm getting tired again. So what happened yesterday is I woke up around the same time again, like around 2, 3 a.m. Couldn't sleep again. Went back to sleep an hour after that, and I didn't wake up till the next day. So, so technically I tried to sleep 8 hours. So I end up, because I sleep for like 3 hours. I wake up and I sleep another 6. So I end up with 9 hours of sleep. So that's pretty good. Anyway, I can finally close my phone. So this is my supermarket. It's very big now. I have 2 staff members. I forgot their names, so I gotta remember that. But yeah, it's divided into 2 areas. The left side's all like shelving goods and stuff, and then this side's all the refrigerated area. Eventually I'm gonna have like a big down the middle kind of situation, and then all my registers will all be on the front end of the store, which is leading out towards the door. Yeah. Anyway, try to play this game before I go to bed because it's very relaxing. It's just clicking, not too much special. Week's basically over. Well, it is over. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog next week. I keep saying that, but I end up vlogging because there's always something that happens. So again, I have plans tomorrow, but only at night. So I have plenty of time to edit the vlog tomorrow during the day if I don't procrastinate. I want to do laundry, but I still can't do laundry, so that's an issue. But they said they'll get a tech guy out on Wednesday to take a look, but I'm fingers crossed they can make it in time before I have to go to work at 1 p.m. We'll have to see. But yeah, pretty hectic week with this corporate visit, washing machine breaking, woo! What's gonna happen next week? I'm gonna end the week here because I am falling asleep. I'll probably play one more day of Supermarket Simulator, and that's about it. So I guess I'll see you all next week.